Hi everybody, my name is Harvey and today I will show you how to block LAN devices from using Punycodes on DrayTek routers. First, what is a Punycode? Well, it's a particular encoding for converting Unicode characters in different language to ASCII. The domain name system was designed to use the limited ASCII characters initially, and the Punycode syntax represents Unicode characters such as A with a diaresis or similar characters that exist in non-Latin characters. For example, adidas.de would be encoded as xn-addas-04a.de, but adidas.de will be displayed. Note that there is no dot above the I, as it is a non-Latin character, which causes confusion. Or if you know the Korean language, xn-oy2b35, etc., will be displayed as a Korean.com website. Unfortunately, some hackers are exploiting this Punycode encoding. So now the hacker just have to register the Punycode name as a fake domain name and set up his hacking website to exploit this feature. So how do you create a Punycode? You can use a Punycode generator such as www.punycoder.com or a few other more to generate Punycodes. See the browsers on the screen. Type in the Punycode and see the fake website appear as if it's a genuine one. Not all browsers will show this limitation, but Chrome, Firefox, and I tried Edge and Brave, which also showed this limitation. You could also edit a hyperlink and display the correct domain name, but in fact the real address is the Punycode as shown on the slide. Here is a list of identified Punycode domain names pointing to fake websites. So, allowing Unicode characters in URLs can cause security issues for users. However, DrayTek has a solution to stop domain name starting with xn_ using a firewall rule. Here is a short video on how to set up a firewall rule consisting of a URL content filter and a DNS filter to block all traffic from LAN to WAN containing xn_ in the URL. Here we have a 2865 with the WAN active. We then go to the Object Setting tab and select Keyword Object. We select an index, say index 1, give it a name, Punycode, and type in the contents xn_. Click OK to save. Here how the keyword object profile looks like. Then we move to CSM and select URL content filter profile. Again, we select an index, say index 1 in this case, and type the profile name Punycode 2. Enable URL access control and tick prevent web access from IP address. Then select the keyword object just created called 1-Punycode. Click OK twice. Now we move to the DNS filter profile. Select an index and give the profile a name such as Punycode free. And select the URL content filter just created, that is Punycode 2. Click OK to save the settings. Now we move to Firewall tab, select the filter set 1 and choose Rule 2 just below the NetBIOS DNS filter. Name it as Punycode 4. Select the direction from LAN to WAN. Select filter to pass immediately, and then select the URL content as 1-Punycode 2 and select the DNS filter 1-Punycode 3. Click OK to save the rule. Now let's try to access the Adidas fake website. Copy and paste in our browser the Punycode of Adidas. And voila! The DrayTek router sends a message saying that the website is blocked by the DNS filter. This concludes our demo today. and thank you for your attention.